Okay, let me backtrack just a little bit. Hey, I'm Jason. This is Try Hard Things. And you're probably wondering, what is this channel? Why do I need to subscribe to this channel? And let me tell you something. Listen, if you're like me, my attention's everywhere. I'd say like most of you, I probably have adult ADHD and my mind goes everywhere. And I understand that most people's channels are super organized and their content is the same all the way through. But, to be honest with you, I don't watch one person's content. I watch tons of content. And because of that, I have tons of interests. I've been this way since I was a kid. And I just can't find myself jumping into one type of content. When this channel first started out, it was Napier Photography. I do photography, and I did that for a long time, and I still do photography. But the channel was way more than photography. It started going into vlogging and just other things that I was interested in. And then I started 3D printing. And then I was like, people are coming to my channel thinking it's all about photography. And at one time it was, but it just really wasn't growing. So then when I went to 3D printing, we started getting a little bit of following. I started having, brands reach out to me to do deals with 3D printing and things like that. And some of the demands that happen when you're doing reviews, just to give you a heads up, can sometimes just be a bit much. And if you can't meet those deadlines, it's difficult to stick with it. Not that I couldn't stick with those deadlines, but sometimes the content that they wanted was just not something that I was willing or able to do. So I changed the channel from Napier Photography to NP3D. Now, that's cool. It sounds great and everything, and it's been great. I mean, we have roughly almost 4.3K followers, which is awesome. However, we've been doing this now for 10 years, and we just really haven't seen a lot of growth. And maybe that's partly my fault out of being, inconsistent at times, just because I get distracted. Again, rewind. I probably have adult ADHD, but like a lot of you out there that watch these channels, you can't be bothered by, just one thing. We all have our attention that jumps from thing to thing. So actually, my channel fits exactly who you are. We're all, doing other things. We get distracted. We don't want to consume one type of content constantly. Well, listen, my channel, if anything, you're never going to get bored. Now, will you have to, dig through my playlist? Sure. If you want Harry Potter vlogging, going to the parks and theme parks and stuff, and I'm going to try to organize my playlist a little bit better to help you guys out. But if you're looking for park content, it's there. Just look for it. If you're looking for, unboxings and game reviews and gadget reviews and toy reviews and collectible reviews, they're there. Just dig through. Go through my videos. They're all in order from the time I was very consistent to when I died off to when I became consistent, and then when I died off. You get the drift. But the biggest thing that I want to encourage you is that, one, don't come to my channel and think, oh man, this guy's all over the place. Yeah, well, because you're right. You're very observant. You're very observant. I am all over the place. However, I want you guys to enjoy the process with me. So if you're like me and you have attention deficit issues or hyperactivity issues, which is more like me, this channel is going to be for you. I mean, I do a little bit of everything. I do photography. I do 3D printing. I've even done some DJing. I do, game reviews, gameplay. I stream on here. I mean, I do a little bit of everything. And now we have a hat company, and we have a leatherette company, and we have a wholesale company. And all that stuff is coming here. We sell apparel. We sell custom hats. We do business to business hats. We sell the leatherette that people that have businesses use to create hats. So when you hear me on here talking about the hometown code, that's the other thing that's basically the parent business of everything. So my whole life revolves around trying new things, but more importantly, my life revolves around trying hard things. I've always loved a challenge. I've always, because things are kind of challenging. Even since I was little, I had a hearing disability when I was a kid, and everything was kind of hard for me for a little while. And then, like I said, everything was hard. So, and I did not know, I did not know how that was going to change my life. But that struggle when I was younger, with my hearing stuff and, getting that fixed, and then just kind of being denied that opportunity of just being able to hear everything that everybody else heard, kind of put me behind a little bit. Not to give you the long story, but everything has been hard for me. I grew up poor. I didn't have a dad in the picture. So a dad to teach me how to do things like work on a car, work on lawnmowers, you know, woodworking, painting, stuff like that. There was nobody like that to help me, mentor me, show me how to do things. And so I kind of had this, I guess now it's a superpower. I had to figure things out for myself. And a lot of times it wasn't easy. But in the end, the journey, the process has all been worth it, because who I am today and what I do, makes it all possible because of all that hard time that I had, that struggle, that trying hard things constantly, trying and failing, having successes are huge, important things. That's what this channel is going to be about. We're going to try fun things. We're going to try hard things. We're going to try everything. Okay. So follow along with me. It's going to be entertaining. And if there's something you want to see me try, you can always reach out to me, send me a message. I do have a paid membership group. It's called the Turd Herd. I know. So just because y'all are the stuff, I can't say the word, but my exclusive group, you guys are awesome. So I've got about 20 of you. Shout out to all of my paid followers. That's a monthly $4.99 thing. You get 15% off on apparel. I did send that post out to you to give you the month of February 26 code. So if you don't see that, reach out to me and I can guide you through that. But you get 15% off on apparel. And then also we do a free drawing for merch at the end of each month. I'm probably going to do the one for February this week before we leave to go to Universal, which we'll be vlogging about that as well. But I just wanted to come on here and say, hey, I want to kind of give you some context as to what you're seeing. You're on here and you're seeing stuff about ambient videos with dragons and different things. I'm trying to, get some things that are like passive content viewing, getting people coming to my channel, discovering, and then when they find those ambience videos, which I love because those register with my active brain. I can just listen to them or just have something really cool in the background playing while I'm reading or working on stuff. But I thought, hey, I'm not starting a whole channel on ambient videos. I'm not doing that. I'm just going to learn how to make them myself, put them on my channel, and at some point talk to you guys about how to do them yourselves if you're interested. So that is another try hard thing. All right. So anyway, I guess that's all for this morning. I just wanted to jump on here and give you that background because I don't want you to get on here and be confused and say, oh man, this guy's all over the place. I'm going to be redoing some rooms down in my studio. I'm going to show you guys that build out, and hopefully that is a hard thing because one, getting motivated to tear something out that's already done and then redoing it, it's stressful. It's stressful to think about, but again, I can't talk about doing hard things and trying hard things and not be about it myself. The only thing that I hope is I can remember how to put it all back together because, once you start putting gadgets together and wires and all that stuff, it all makes sense when you're doing it and you get it to work. But then when you take it apart, I don't know. I've got to find a way to make sure that I don't screw things up. So maybe I need to record everything and, tape everything and put yellow to yellow, green to green. I've got to figure out a system. So, but again, that is my struggle. That is not your struggle, but you can be here and hang out with me and join with me. So anyway, if you're interested in being in this crazy channel with me, follow along as we jump from thing to thing, and don't worry about it. We can come back to it. And if you want me to jump back on the old content that I was doing, that's your responsibility to reach out to me in my community and say, hey, I haven't seen you do a video on this in a long time. Can you show us a video on that? Can you take me on a tour of this? Can you show me this at the parks? Can you, give me a challenge, something fun to do, and if it's something we can do and it's within my ability to do it, I would love that. That's what this is all about. That's why people love YouTube. That's why they love this content, because they can interact with, I guess, the actors, but we're not acting. This is real life. So anyway, I'm almost to school. Just so you know, I am a 26-year veteran PE teacher in Georgia, and I have roughly 4.5 years until I can officially retire. Now, depending on how the hometown code goes, we may get out a little bit earlier, and then I have tons of content that I can be making with all of that as well. But my life's crazy, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Anyway, subscribe, hit the like bell. I mean, hit the bell, notification bell, so you know I've got content coming up. Words are hard. Words are hard, Zach. And also, you can watch us on Sunday nights with the Nerd Herd. That's 7 p.m. Eastern. It's every Sunday. And also, I've got a Bro Show podcast that's coming back, that was gone and is now coming back. So we're just doing everything, guys. Anyway, hope you have a great rest of your week. Love y'all, and let's do this.